right now. What weapons do you have within reach?
Hello, motherfucker.
Quite a lot of stuff for other garages. The reason I know them, this guy Andy, is farmers. See the farmers that I do all the Range Rovers and stuff for. Oh, we got a winch. We'll go back down. I'm liking the service, but it's good. So there's a big Mustang. So, big Mustang. Big Mustang, what's happening, America? What's happening? Welcome to Scotland, Mustang. Don't know how long you've been here. I'm going to imagine a while. Really, I'm going to imagine you've been here a while, Mrs. Mustang. Because you're a bit crusty. She's been sealed at some point, but she's been battered down the road. And you can see the sill, or the rocker panel as they call it in America. So they would call this the inner rocker panel. It's an N registration. I don't actually know, obviously it's an N registration in this country, and she's doing a bit of sweat and oil there as well, so she has a V something, and she's also leaking coolant. So she's leaking coolant. She's got severe oil leaks. I'm looking at this suspension on it, man. I'm looking at this suspension and I'm like, what on earth, man? Well, we've got struts there, but I don't know what age this is, but it looks, I mean, what's on this thing? Oh, I got a B-Max. I still got a B-Max on the back, but just give McPherson struts in the front, independent. It's just a bit, antique, isn't it? It's a bit old looking, a bit old. No, if I think the age of it, but I like that. I don't get that much here, grease nipples. And the one thing I do like about America, they seem to fix a lot of things, whereas in this country we're prone to just replacing it, you know. Whereas they'll fix it, they'll fix stuff, and they'll make exhausts. No, like this, get 2 cats on it. I'd do away with those, to be honest with you. I'd keep O2 sensors and bypass them. I mean, it's been all welded up, but if God that might be moved, that's not going to last long line on there. Good job motor doesn't get used in there, so it's okay, seems okay. That seems not too bad actually. And I can see the exhaust, it's a bit of exhaust. I think I'll just start again there. But this, I don't like this. Oh, that's my bad actually. That's my bad. Well, that's going to need a cable anyway. I mean, look, that's been rubbed through there. It's been rubbed through. So, and it's a bit L200 on the rear. It's got a B-Max again. Of course it needs it with the, no, it doesn't need it with the wheel drive these days, man. We've got subframes and that nowadays. It's very old styly, I don't know. I had a newer Mustang in here. There's a rear diff cover off as well. I had a newer Mustang in here, 18 plate, man. That was the creme, man. That was really good. It drove well as well, and it modern, but Mustangs, it's this, I don't like this. I mean, that's a braided brake line, so I mean that's decent, but well, it was decent, it's not anymore. But it looks like there's only one brake line coming to the rear that I can tell. So if that goes, you have no brakes on the back, whereas modern cars got a dual system. This obviously does not. It's not that good. So there's a valve up there for the brakes, or the clutch maybe. What kind of clutch we got on it? Oh no, we're old school. We've got a bad boy. Well, at least we can get a good look at it. A good look at the clutch there. Just can't really see I can just see the disc. So, big Mustang. I mean, she's just at the body shop. She's not running. Hence the reason she's here. So what I'm told is it'll start up and run for about 5 seconds. So I'm thinking maybe a bad relay on this car, maybe. I mean, maybe a blockage. I heard it ran out of fuel. When it was getting validated. And then, you know, that was it. That was all she wrote. She's gonna go again. So I see they've done the stone chap, the eggshell down the door. So that's probably the way it was. and that's what they've did, they've copied that. So, I mean, it's not a good clean up, like, but the actual panel work, it looks okay. It's probably just need a good old clean again. I think it's been sat on a recovery truck, so well, it was dropped off here on the recovery truck. So the rear pads are new, rear brakes are obviously on. At least it's got calipers in the back. It's got calipers in the back. I mean, they look like they're off Kia Picanto, but no, it's got calipers at least, and modern style kind of ratchet and pot handbrake cables. So big Mustang, something different. I see there's a fuel filter there, but I like that. Oh, look at all the lines, man! Jesus Christ. These would be a concern. I think we just need chop. I doubt we get them off, man, because they're all under seal anyway. So we probably just need to cut all of that. Yeah, man. At least the fuel tank's easy to get to. So there's the filler neck there. Oh, wait a minute. I might just have found a problem. What the hell's all this? Look at these lines here. They're fuel lines. They're well rotten. Aye, they're your feed pipes, so I don't want to touch them too much, man, but they look well rotten, so I think we're going to replace those. How does that go? These are going all down the front. Some other kind of hose or something, but rubber up there that's been chaffing. So steering's on the wrong side, obviously, because it's American. I see it's got new springs as well. Power steering leaking. Right, okie doke. So I think probably best to replace the fuel pipes and everything on this. Aye. That'd be good if that was that'd be good, I'd like that. If that's where you test the pump from. Maybe somebody in America can tell us, is this where you test this fuel pump from? What's the pins? He's the diag. Hit us up with a comment. Put a wee diag in for me, because I'm Scottish. I've got my laptop, but the wee boy's watching Paw Patrol, so I'll look it up later.
Lift to my whistle, come give me a tune. Deep throat, what you blow my. Deep throat, lift to my.